So to pop these off, I mean, these are pretty simple. You really just want to get a pry tool and just get underneath the bottom here. And once you get in, you just kind of pop it out and it'll come out. That's it. And there she goes. And then you should be able to pull the bulb out, assuming your fingers aren't greasy. You can just pull it out, boom, just like that. That's out. And we're gonna put our LED bulb in and see how it looks. So here we have the Auxito LEDs. These are the 194 wedge bulbs. So we're gonna go ahead and stick it up here and install. All right, so here's an up close look at the LED bulb, the Auxito. So it looks like it has several LEDs all around. So yeah, let's plug her in and see if she comes on. And there you go. Nice. And there's a comparison of the colors. I don't know if these are reverse polarity, so let me try it the other way just to see. Curious. Oh yeah, it can go either way with these. These are cool. So no matter which way it goes in, they're good to go. Awesome. So we'll get you a little nighttime comparison as well, so you can see the difference. And you know, when you're reinstalling, you just go in the reverse order. So I'll put in the front first and then push in the back, and then it just should snap right in. So there you go. Super easy. Love it. So here you have the LED, and then, oh yeah. So you definitely get a much nicer light color output. So yeah, I mean, that's the difference right there. All right, so we see the one in the trunk. It's got this little basket here. So we're gonna switch that one out too. So this is pretty easy. It's got this little tab here. You just push that out and this little basket unfolds. And then you can literally pull out your flip bulb. Probably not safe to do while it's powered, but you know, we're living on the edge. Now we're just gonna stick this right back in. As simple as that. It just snaps right in, and then you clip that back in, and you're all set. Simple enough. All right, so it is raining. It's nice. We're just gonna do a night comparison of these lights. So, whew, as you can see, that's the Auxito LED, and there is the factory. All right, guys, so that was the review of the Auxito LED bulbs. So yeah, I'm very happy with these. Typically the design that I tend to lean towards more is the Philips design, where it's kind of sealed. You don't see the LED you know, units, but
These actually work really great, and you know, just going over the pros, I mean, it's literally every wedge bulb. It's really quick and easy to install. The light output is significantly brighter, you know, than the OEM. And one thing I did like, I was surprised at the non-polarity. So it doesn't matter which way you install it, it's going to get power and come on. So that's pretty sweet. And then lastly, in addition, I mean, you get 10 bulbs for about 25 bucks, but if you use the special coupon code, you get 50% off, 15% off, and so that'll knock it down even more. So definitely it's worth checking out, and like I said, great value for the money. But overall, like I said, it's a great bulb. Highly recommend using it, and I still have 7 more that I'm going to use, and anything else I have, because you can always never have enough of these wedge bulbs. But anyways, that is a quick overview of these, and hopefully you guys like them, and make sure you go check them out from Auxito. Until then, I will see you guys on the next video. Take care.